Meaning of freshly.
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 Freshly. Freshly means that something is newly made, recently prepared or harvested, and has not been sitting around for an extended period. When it comes to food, it means that the ingredients used are of high quality and have not been preserved for a long time. Freshly prepared food is typically more flavorful, nutritious, and visually appealing than food that has been sitting around for a while. Consuming freshly prepared food also reduces the risk of food poisoning as it limits the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms. Overall, freshly signifies quality, health, and taste.